Hello everyone, I'm Markku Pärssinen, Technology Manager at Raute Corporation. Today I'm introducing you Raute R3 drying line, which is designed to offer a leap in drying line productivity. With this line, we have now been able to bring decades worth of our drying process experience and know-how into an efficient and affordable package. With these clever solutions, you can enhance your dry veneer quality and at the same time enjoy the benefits of minimized energy consumption. Raute R3 dryer features the industry-proven energy-efficient airflow system. Effective heat transfer with specially shaped jet nozzles ensures uniform drying results with all wood species and veneer thicknesses. Raute's high humidity drying concept maximizes the heat transfer into veneers and speeds up water evaporation and same time protects veneer surface from overdrying. And this is not all. In addition to enhanced veneer drying capacity and quality, high humidity drying means also smaller energy consumption and heating costs. Reliable automatic veneer feeding system is the key to ensure proper filling ratio in drying. Constant sheet flow not only means capacity, but it also means steady and optimized drying conditions inside the dryer. Additionally, R3 drying line, there are special overlapping gates at infeed rollers, which positions veneers into overlap to prevent splitting at veneer ends and furthermore improving the filling ratio of the dryer. Drying parameters can be easily adjusted from an advanced touchscreen HMI, and you can save all your well-performing recipes for later use. All main parameters are visually available on main screen, so that drying process can be easily followed from there. Additionally, separate line functions can be also operated manually through the HMI. Comprehensive inbuilt diagnostics gives great benefits for analyzing line operation. From HMI, you can see the active state of every single motor, sensor or photocell of the line. In order to fully utilize the value of dry sheets, automatic grading line gives you multiple benefits. Not only it minimizes the need of costly manual labor in dry sheet handling, it also enables higher overall recovery and panel quality. Properly graded veneers can go directly to next processes without any additional handling. For example, only actual composer grade is taken to composers, or actual patching grade is taken to patching. All other grades can go directly to layup and gluing. And this really increases the productivity and the recovery. Moisture measurement with automatic dryer speed control helps you to maximize the dryer capacity without overdrying the veneers. And at the same time, the amount of wet veneers needed to be redried is minimized. Easy to use real-time operator interface shows the actual grading results of every single sheet. From HMI, you can see the production reports and statistics, and with the comprehensive list of usable grading parameters, you can create the right recipe to ensure the final panel quality. Once analyzed and graded, sheets are transferred to stacker. All sheets are then automatically stacked into correct stacking bins, ready for following processes. And when the amount of stacking bins can be freely chosen, Raute R3 drying and grading lines offers the perfect fit for your dry veneer production. If you want to learn more about the R3 drying line, please don't hesitate to contact Raute experts. Thank you.